Nakakapagod. But Steven has been there for me every step of the way. Sabi niya ako tinutulungan. Actually, dapat nandito nga siya.
Ayos. Kailangan mag-move on.
Move on. Of course.
Isang bakit ng beer?
Isang bakit ng beer? Remember nung nalasing ka noon, hindi ka makausap ng matino? Nagsumbong pa nga sa akin si Mamang na... Sorry. He's doing everything that he could. And I know that he's doing it for you. Even though he's not saying it, I can see that he's doing it because he still loves you.